Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Cheryl with Around the House with Cheryl. Today I'm doing a DIY of one of these little wooden signs from the Dollar Tree. So what you need is different color acrylic paints. I chose white, a dark brown, and red. And these are apple barrels. You could use any brand you wish. You need a sponge brush and a regular brush, a little bowl for your paint, and some water. So what I'm going to do is use this red paint. It's kind of thick. I had to add some water to it. So I'm just pouring a little water in there, and then I'm going to shake it up. Some of these apple barrel paints come a little bit on the thick side. So we'll get this all mixed up, and you can see it's still on, to me, on the thick side, but I think it'll work out okay. So I hope everybody's doing well, getting ready for the holidays here. I thought I'd come on and do a DIY that I thought it is easy, but it can be a little bit time consuming. So I'm just going to cover this all up with red, and then I'll be back with the next step. Okay, I'm back. What I did, I must have lost a little bit of footage, but what I did is I took some of this dark brown paint and mixed it with water, and I went around the edges of the letters just to give it a little bit more depth so it wouldn't look so flat. And you can use as much water as you like, or as much paint, but I tried to keep it on the thin side. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going slowly around the edges. If you get too much on, you can always take a paper towel and damp off the excess. Some spots looked okay with a little excess on it, but this is what I did around all the letters. And I think it made a big difference if you know, before where it was just flat. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to keep adding a little water to the spots that look kind of dark to me. And then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, now I'm going to be using the white paint, and I'm going to be putting some dots around the edges of the letters. And you could see this is the part that can be tedious, but the end results, I think, look great. So I just poured some white paint in the top of the container, and then I have a brush. You could use anything, a toothpick, end of a sponge brush. It just depends on how big you would like for your dots to be. So I just picked the end of this small paintbrush, and as you can see, you only could do maybe 3-4 dots at a time, and it all depends on how big you want the dots to be. So we're going to go through here and put the dots on, and at the end you'll see how pretty it looks. I mean, it's like day and night from just this little flat wooden sign with the dots. So let's do that. Okay guys, I finished putting all the dots on, so now you can see how it looks. I think it came out really pretty. And if you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing to my channel, give me a like, and hit the bell so you'll know when I do the next video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.